waters and a water.
I would love a coconut water.
So that's good for hydration.
I'm also gonna bring booze.
That's my hair.
Your hair looks great.
See what this?
And the other one.
This one? There's like 3 of them.
Yeah, I was just...
Keith, why don't you explain what we're doing?
Well, we're fulfilling your... Is this good enough to fulfill your New Year's resolution?
If it happens, yes, this is good enough.
Did you bring a bottle of champagne?
No, but I'll drink that later.
Yeah, we're going to Chicago.
We're taking the jet skis to Chicago.
We're from Indiana.
Alright, according to the forecast, it is 1 foot waves with a 5-second interval all throughout the way to Chicago. So hopefully it stays that way. God, I hope everything goes smooth. They talked me into it. I was trying to be cautious for the record. Change of plans. We're in the second best city that Lake Michigan has to offer. Not Chicago City, Michigan City. All right. It was too rough. It was too rough to make it all the way to Chicago. Just didn't feel comfortable doing that for like an hour plus. So we're just gonna chill out here and then go get some lunch in Michigan City. Still a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful day.
Like the water is just so beautiful.
Don't use balloons or pick up your trash or do something about it. Honey, I found a thong for you to wear. Wear this thong.
Oh, you're not.
It's not a real thong. While the ladies worked on their suntan, Keith and I decided to go out for a joyride. We were just cruising around when all of a sudden we spotted something massive way out on the horizon. At first it didn't look like much, but the closer we looked, the more we realized that wasn't just any ship. It was the Tregurtha, the biggest ship out on the Great Lakes. So naturally we decided to go after it. Now if you've never seen one of these freighters in person, videos just do not do it justice. This thing is almost 1,000 feet long, so from far away it looks kind of slow and uneventful, but when you're out on the water next to it, it feels intimidating. There's that cargo ship we were after. You maybe can't see it, but Chicago's right over there. It's peaceful out here.
Nice, I like the fog too. Cool.
The Tregurtha is nearly 1,000 feet long and carries tens of thousands of pounds of cargo, and somehow it cruises around like it owns the Great Lakes. In fact, it is also known as the Queen of the Great Lakes. It originally launched in 1942 as part of the US Navy.
Other side of that thing?
I don't know about other side, but I want to get closer. And while she's been a cargo ship for many, many decades, she is still the only active freighter on the Great Lakes to display military campaign ribbons. Pretty cool. While the GoPro doesn't do justice to it, we got close enough to admire it. Out in the distance, we could actually see the Chicago skyline. The camera just can't catch that. Eventually, we had to get back, reunite with the ladies, and we went and got some food in Michigan City. Back in New Buffalo, Keith and I knew this was our last weekend of the 2025 season, so we had to make the most of it. The ladies had had enough jet skiing for the day, which I totally understand, so Keith and I took the jet skis one more time to catch one last sunset for the 2025 season.
What a moment! What a moment! Thank you, Jesus. Come on.
Of course, no jet ski outing would be complete without jet ski races. As you can see, the views were breathtaking, and no boating weekend would be complete without a sunset cruise.
Second one this weekend that we grabbed. I mean, people, come on.